Ooh.
Oh my goodness. Oh.
Hello everybody, this is Myung. Hope you are well. Garlic is a herbal antibiotic. When it is crushed, allicin is released, and this is a very powerful compound. It kills bacteria, viruses, parasites. Not only that, it is good for the heart, cancer prevention, good for a healthy brain, detoxifies the heavy metals from the bodies, thus protecting vital organs such as the liver, and it boosts immune system as well. So I will put more details below this video. One thing can put people off is smell of garlic, but making this honeyed garlic reduces the strength of the garlic aroma and softens the flavor. Nevertheless, you will get most of benefit. I made 2 types of honeyed garlic and 1 garlic oxymel, and quickly show you how to make a garlic juice. Okay, let's start. Today I'm going to show you how to make honeyed garlic. It's very simple to make, really simple. You just need organic garlic and raw honey. Peel and slice the garlic and then add raw honey and leave it there for a month, and then you can start to use it. So the ratio of this honeyed garlic is 1:1. So if it's 300 gram, it should be 300 gram. If you have a little bit more honey, it doesn't really matter, but rough idea for this is 1:1. So let's start. I will peel the garlic first. Peeling is done, now it's chopping time. I will chop and then put in the jar straight away. Just slice thin as much as you can. Slicing is done, so I will push it down. You can put the garlic first and then pour the honey over the top. If you pour into that, it will be easier. This can be gourmet ingredient as well. Really nice. So these are all mixed. Wipe it around the edge and cover it, and okay, put the date on. And for a week I will stir it. Still have lots of garlic smell. Bit watery as well.
Yeah, is that what it's supposed to do?
Juice come out from the garlic, so it is a bit juicier. This has been made for a week, so you can see this color has changed. I'm going to show you another honeyed garlic. First, I will blend this garlic. So now I will add this raw honey. This ratio is 1:1. I will add a little bit more. That will be quicker to ready than this sliced one. Now making garlic oxymel. I'm going to crush this garlic and mix with this honey as well as this apple cider vinegar. So this 3 bulbs of garlic, 2 tablespoons raw honey, and now 2 cups of apple cider vinegar. So 1 cup and 2 cups. So I will show you how to make a super simple garlic juice. Very effective garlic juice. So 1 clove garlic, grated. You can use a garlic squeezer and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes to allicin comes out. So this allicin make this strong pungent smell, and this is basically kill the bacteria and virus and even parasite. Half an hour or 1 hour after your dinner, drink this will help to kill the bacteria and virus or parasite, or even help digest, lower the blood pressure and clean these veins. So this is overall very good medicine. Leave it for 5 minutes. This 5 minutes has gone, so I will add this lukewarm water. Just drink it, that's it. But if you prefer, you can add raw honey. I will use raw honey as well. Just 1 teaspoon raw honey and drink it. If you have a weak stomach, please eat something before you're taking this garlic juice. That I can advise you. So it is a testing day today. I have made this months ago. This one was over 2 months now. You can see the garlic is like very thin and darker color.
Is that just in honey or honey and...
Yeah, just the honey, raw honey with the garlic, and this is the same. And this is a great garlic with honey. They are same, but this is grated garlic and this is a sliced garlic.
Okay.
This is the old version of this. And this is garlic oxymel, which is crushed garlic with apple cider vinegar and raw honey.
I see.
So we are going to test it, if you don't mind. So how can we use this one is you can add to your salad dressing or spread on your bread. And this also you can mix with warm water and drink it. So I will give you some and with water.
Okay.
And you can drink it and let me know what you think.
Okay.
This is the warm water, not hot water. And you can drink it.
I can smell it already.
Yeah, garlic, huh?
Very strong.
Do you think it is still strong?
It smells strong.
But it is very mild, is it?
Yeah, it smells stronger than it tastes.
Yeah. So that was okay to drink, wasn't it? Not too strong. So when you feel not good and when you
Getting a cold also.
Yeah, cold or flu, you can drink this drink a few times a day. It will help. It is also very mild. I mean, I can taste a little hint of garlic, but it is not that strong, is it?
No, it's similar to the to that one.
Yeah.
The one we had in the water.
And this, you can also
Drink the juice.
stir it, because it is apple cider vinegar with mother and raw honey. So
Right.
this is basically medicine.
Yeah.
Oxymel. So the one.
Oxymel.
Yeah, 1 tablespoon.
You just drink it like that. You don't need any water.
I recommend it mix with a little bit of water
Yeah.
because might be
It's stronger.
strong.
Like.
Yeah, just a little bit. Ooh,
Oh my goodness. Oh.
because it is apple cider vinegar is a
Which I normally like.
Yeah, vinegar's in it, so that's why it's a bit, how do you say, tangy or?
Oof. That is strong.
Mm. This is real medicine.
Yeah.
Oh.
Whew. Do you want to try that one at the back?
Okay, yeah, this is very old one, so how it tastes like compared to that
Yeah, I
one?
think so. I like that one best.
Mm.
Mm.
It is hardly taste of any garlic, is it? A little hint.
Yeah, I can taste it, but I prefer that one to the others.
Mm. Much better. Longer fermented is better than young ones. Yeah.
Mm.
Oh, good. This garlic and vinegar and this raw honeys are natural antivirus, antibacterial, and antifungi, and anti-infectant.
Right.
Make your immune system stronger.
Stronger, yeah.
And vampire away.
Yeah, keep the vampires away, that's for sure.
All right then, thank you very much.
Yeah, that one's very good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I kind of do it all fine, but this one is the better one.
Okay. So tonight, no vampire comes to our
No,
place.
no visits from Dracula tonight. You'll have to stay in Whitby.
Okay. Stay with me. Okie dokie, thank you very much. Garlic is herbal antibiotics, so please use all the time, especially this coronavirus time. It will help you to kill the bacteria or viruses and anything in your body. It kills parasites as well. So if you don't have time to make this one, just grate garlic and drink this with warm water or put some honey in and then drink it. That will be very good too. That will thin your blood and lower the blood pressure, and you know, it is so good. So please make this honeyed garlic and this garlic oxymel, so use it all the time. This will help you to stay healthy. So hope you enjoy my recipe, and thanks for watching. Be healthy and happy. See you next time. Bye.